Hey, if you like dancing on your roller skates, this video is for you. You can do a lot of things with dancing. Like you could, do whatever you want, your own style when you're roller dancing or jam skating. But one thing that's cool, I think is cool, is getting down on the ground, doing some groundwork and getting back up again. Like it adds a nice dimension. You're doing your footwork, doing your groundwork and all this stuff. So there's a lot of ways you can do it. Getting on the ground and back up. But this way, this little sequence, I think is not too hard. It looks cool when you do it in beat with the music. And it's pretty simple. Most people can learn this. So you're standing with your feet about hips width apart or maybe a little wider and keeping your knees soft. So, you don't lock out your knees, keep your knees soft. And I'm gonna step my left foot behind my right foot. Step one, stepping behind. Then I'm gonna go opening the right foot, toe, heel, to open out. Then I'm gonna step my right foot behind my left foot, like onto the plug or the toe of the right foot, as I push my left hip open and do like a controlled fall to the left, like so. So you see how I end up here? I bring my fingertips down to the ground. I push open.
Toe plug.
I'm on my toe of the right foot. I'm pushing my left hip open so I'm not jamming on my knee. You want to be real careful with your knee open from your hip. So I'm all prepared to turn to the right. So I got my fingertips on the ground. I'm pivoting my body around to the right, using my hands to help, coming onto all 8 wheels to the front. Kick the right leg up, hook the right foot behind the left ankle, and then you spin around to the right again using your hands, bringing all 8 wheels to the ground. Kick the right leg up, so you kind of lean back and come up, like so, like a teeter-tot. So that's basically just a little sequence. So you could be doing whatever footwork you're doing, get down on the ground, do a little, you could add more groundwork, you could add fancy, whatever you want to do, hexing and all sorts of windmills or flares if you do that, it's cool. But I'm just gonna do it one more time to a count. So I don't have music, but of course you want to be in beat with the music. Starting slower music is going to be easier, but I'm just going to count it as if I was doing it to music. So feet hips width apart to start. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Nice.
So that's the little set. And you can incorporate that to whatever else you like to do, footwork, groundwork, or just like take pieces of it. Sometimes it's fun to just learn stuff and then take pieces of it and add it to your own stuff and be creative, making your own choreographies or sets. So hopefully that's useful, and please let us know, and please like and subscribe. Thanks.